James is up early this morning working outside. Look at everything he got done yesterday. We've been working on the ceiling on the wraparound porch, so he got all that put in. It's looking really good. And then over here in the corner, he did that. And now he's working on going that way towards the front of the house. So he has to put these boards in first, and then he attaches the white ceiling to that. He's made a lot of progress in the past 2 hours. Got all those boards in, and now he's working on actually putting up the ceiling. I'm working on putting in blocking for James. So that's these 3 boards that we got to put up there. This is what it looks like. Put the blocking here so we can attach the J channel to it for the roof. I already got all the blocking in for the front part of the porch here. Every post you see, I've got the blocking above it. I got all those done. All those done. Now I'm gonna work on going down this part of the porch. Alyssa's trying to tell me to pee outside, but I'm not going to do that. Anyway, I just got my part done, and now James is over here making progress on this side of the house. I'll see what he's doing now. He's got up a lot of J channel. Looks good, babe.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, this is a few hours worth of progress, even though it barely looks like we got anything done. We got the purlins going all along that way with the 1x4s, and we got the 1x4s here, and we also got the, what is that, J channel?
Yep.
J channel in right here. So we got all that along this side, and then over here we started putting 1x4s in, so we can actually start putting the ceiling in back here. And so it begins. Putting up the ceiling. We're getting very close to being done with this end. Drilled the hole for the porch light. Well, we ran out of J channel to put on this, so we can't finish this side. So we're working on finishing this side instead, and we're gonna go from here over, since we do have the J channel here on this side.
Hi, hon.
Hi, babe. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Can you stop filming me?
These are the lights that we bought. They're LEDs and they're completely flat. So we got one in there so far.
Light, please.
One
light,
in there.
Light.
Mr. Impatient
Gosh.
is putting one in there. Oh my gosh, that is so time consuming, but we got a lot done. I grilled out tonight. Today's our anniversary. We've been married 7 years. And anyway, I grilled out. Nothing special. I do this like every night, but we grilled out tonight. So we're gonna eat this for dinner. Hamburgers, brats, and asparagus. Let's eat. Elias, you hungry?
Is that a hot dog?
Yeah. You want one? I have really slacked on taking footage today, but we're working on the front of the house now. We've gotten all of this done. Actually, James has gotten all of this done. I've been doing a bunch of other stuff. Well, I've made all the cuts for him. I've cut every piece, but he's put every piece up. So anyway, we got all this done, and then we finished everything on this side of the house. So this whole side of the house is done. And we also got the breezeway finished. Looks really nice.
Okay, so this is type S mortar that you're spreading out. It's not regular thin set.
Okay. He showed me how to mix up mortar so that I can do it and finish the stonework on the interior of the house and the exterior of the house.
And this will just be the exterior, no interior stuff.
Oh.
So there's more bags inside here. Okay.
Yeah.
It takes a pretty specific amount of water and sand.
Okay.
So like this is probably a little too loose. You want about the consistency of peanut butter or toothpaste.
Okay.
Take a glob like this. Fill all your holes, come back down here. Up here.
I think I can do it. It's like throwing mud. Elias should do it. He's good at that.
Come back and even a coat out. Put a little scratch in it with the scratch side.
Got it.
You're going to go through a ton of this mortar.
Okay.
So try not to waste any and try not to make a huge mess. That's why I got you some boards down.
Okay.
I don't want any mortar out here.
Oh, 5 hours later and it's finally done. Both of those sides and this side over here.
I like that.
That was a lot of mortar. Now I gotta do the front of the garage. James just put the wire meshing here on all these. So I gotta put the mortar there, put the mortar there, and put the mortar there, and then we'll put stone on it tomorrow. I've been working on all the mortar stuff for the stone. James has been working on the ceiling for the porch. He got a lot done. All this on this side. Got a couple of lights in. And he got everything done on the front. The whole front of the porch is finished. Babe, that looks magnificent.
Oh, tell me about it.
Whatever. Looks good. So close to being done. All we have left is this tiny little section here. James just put on that last tiny piece in the corner. Now 100% of the ceiling on the wraparound porch is done.
Except for that.
Yes, the only thing we'll have to
That's
do
not
now.
100%.
Well, the wraparound porch it is. Now the only ceiling we have to do is the ceiling in here, and that's going to be wood, and we have to stain every piece before we put it up. Okay, it's a busy morning for us here in the house. I am working on putting the stone on the bar behind me here in the kitchen, so I'm going to do that now. I got to go mix up some mortar first, and James is behind me over here, and he is working on putting in my range that goes above my cooktop in the kitchen. And we also got the rest of the cabinets put in these past few days. I'll show you guys that now. There's the cabinets. So they go over this way. Now we still have to put the shelving there, which is where our plates and cups and bowls and stuff will be, but I really like how it turned out. And we do still have to add the crown molding. So this will go to the ceiling and this will go to the ceiling. We're getting closer. Oh gosh. This has been such a job. I've been doing this all day and it's still not done. So finally James is jumping in to help. So he's helping me now. And the stonework is finally done. All of it is finished.
You did a great job,
All
babe.
of it is finished.
Whatever. Hi, Levi.
Is our house done?
Hi. No, the house is not done, Eli, but we're getting close. I wish it was done. So this evening after work, James is working on installing our dishwasher. He's got the pipes going through to hook everything in. And under here in this cabinet, that's actually where the outlet is to plug it in back there. So he's wiring everything up now. We've actually had the washer in place for a couple of weeks now, but we haven't actually had it hooked up, so we haven't used it. So now we will be able to use it once he's done installing it. It's in and it's hooked up, and it's dinner time. Babe, how's dinner tonight?
Very good. Thanks for the chicken.
Levi. Hi, big boy. We need to get him a booster seat.
Look at this. It's a beautiful morning. James is walking back with the turkey. John got one too.
That is what she said.
Oh, it's 11 and a half. About 11 and a half inch beard.
Yeah.
That's
All
good.
right, let's measure mine, James. Crap, dude, mine's barely 10
Look
with
at
a real
that
tape measure.
blood, Mommy.
Yeah,
It must
smashed
be
its
shrunk.
head. That's why its eyeball's sticking out.